Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. Google DeepMind always come up with something really novel in a true sense. The only problem is that whatever they release, most of the things are not really available immediately to use, especially when it comes to open source. But still, I believe their products, their models are always of very good quality, and this newly released Genie 2 is one such example. I think it will be better to start this by showing you one of the demo from their website. Let me play this gameplay and you can just appreciate what is happening here. Now, this Genie 2 is a large-scale world model that generates diverse playable 3D environments for training embodied agents. You can generate these environments whenever this model is available from a single text or image prompt and control them with keyboard and mouse inputs. Worlds remain consistent for up to 1 minute, and that is not a small thing. Let me show you how it works because I believe that is something really interesting in this sense. If you look at this diagram, this gives you a bit of an idea. So Genie 2 uses an autoregressive latent diffusion model. Latent space is something where model works, and if you want to learn about it, I already have done a very simple to use and understand video on latent space. Just search with latent and you should be able to find this video. Anyway, so this Genie 2 uses an autoregressive latent diffusion model that has been trained on large scale video dataset. It processes video frames through an autoencoder and generates new frames with a large transformer dynamics model that applies a causal mask. And then you can simply provide an input prompt, for example a scene description or lighting or something like that, maybe a camera movement, through their really celebrated image model or vision model Imagen 3. Google's text to image model Imagen 3 is really one great model, and I would highly encourage you to check my channel if you are interested in learning more about it. You can use it to create custom environments. Also, you can use CFG or classifier free guidance to ensure the prompt adherence that your input control the correct element in the scene. There are a lot of good features which are happening, so I will now scroll through this model to show you some of the examples. Look at this one. The prompt is that go up the stairs. So on the left hand side it is going up the stairs. In the middle one, prompt is go where the plants are. It is following the instructions, and primarily it is generating the 3D environments using image prompts or real world photos. And then similarly look at this, go to the middle door and it is going to the middle door. How cool is that? Looks so real. I'm just stopping it because otherwise it's become so heavy on my system. Again, so this image was generated by Imagen 3 and then we have used it in this prompt to create this world. How good is that? Look at this one now. Again, it is adapting environments to multiple perspectives, including first person, isometric, and third person views. Also, you can interact with model. You can including opening doors, moving objects, applying realistic physics like gravity, water flow, and smoke. And there are various examples which are scattered here. So look at this one, for example. So open the red door, it is going to do that. All the motions are there. Look at the shadows on the left hand side. It also is differentiating between colors, so blue door, red door. And then again, this is the image which Imagen generated. These are few of the other examples. Look at this one, all the water flow and stuff, really good stuff. On the left hand side is the image, and then this has been done by Genie 2 on the right hand side. So it is simulating the counterfactual scenarios by changing agent actions from the same starting frame. It is also integrating and animating multiple agents with dynamic interactions. And by the way, behind the scene, it is using something called as a SEMA agent. SEMA stands for Scalable Instructable Multi-World Agent, which is also developed by Google DeepMind. And SEMA can follow natural language instructions to carry out tasks in variety of video game settings. And there are a lot of other example. For example, look at this one. This also looks really cool. So if you just look at it, it just blows your mind away because of all the motion and stuff. And then there are heaps of them which are scattered throughout this. Let me quickly take you above. Allow me to just quickly pause it to just slow down the generation. And then look at this one. This is a real world images which are being used here. In this world, look at the water. And then all the camera movement is there. And then this is example where all the colored lighting and then some of the bloom and reflections. Great stuff. I wish we could use it, but I think we just have to wait for it to get released, I believe. And I'm more than sure it is going to be available in Vertex AI, the Google Cloud's AI services. Look at this one for the directional lighting. And wherever the torch is moving, the shadows and everything is moving alongside it. Very good stuff. And this one is really cool. It is just showing you the gravity and stuff. Look at this gravity. Really impressive. And again, these are the smoke effects for the real gameplay, I believe. And then these are the water effects. We already have seen it, but this one is also really good stuff. And then these are few of the complex interactions where multiple NPCs or humans are interacting. It could be a first person view. There you go. Look at the very right one. And again, these are the various types of characters which can be used in the game. And then these are some of the interactions again, which it is showing in different scenarios, indoors, outdoors. Some of the, barrels, some of the bursting balloons, really good stuff. And these are the 3D visuals. And look at this first person view, isometric, and then third person driving videos on the right hand side. Really good stuff. And then there are a lot of other example. I could go on and on, but I think I will just stop here. So look, I will drop the link to it in video description. Play around with it, and then when this is available, we could use it in Vertex AI or wherever. I will create another video and show you how to create a world and how to do that. If you just want to see it with other tools, just search my channel for any worlds, and you should be able to find a lot of videos around it. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.